to design your entire living area as per your choice. 2 windows on the corner of your kitchen, saying that your master bedroom is extremely spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of
Urban Rise.
Spring Tide by
Urban Rise
Property Developers, and the project is located in Mahindra World City, Singam Perumal Coil on GST Road, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, and this behind me is your marketing office. That right there is the land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So the first one is the project overview.
Urban Rise.
Spring Tide is spread across an expansive 9.45 acres of land parcel, and the project comprises 5 residential towers A to E. It is designed with basement plus tilt plus 19 floors, and the total number of units is 1,119 premium homes. It offers 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium apartments. Now, the amenities part. The project offers premium amenities such as 100 plus lifestyle amenities like 2 grand clubhouse. One is 29,000 square feet and the kids clubhouse is 11,450 square feet. Then there is swimming pool, fitness center, indoor, outdoor sports facilities, jogging track, multi-purpose court and many more. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Mahindra World City, Singam Perumal Coil on GST Road, Tamil Nadu, Chennai. As you can see, this entire road is going to be your connectivity. This side of the road directly leads you on towards the main road. Now, the nearby connectivity, the Paranur railway station is only 5 minutes away from here. The Chengalpattu railway station is also only 10 minutes away, and the GST road that is here is 2 kilometers away, and the Chennai International Airport being only 45 minutes drive. Now we will be doing the actual sample flat tour for
Urban Rise.
Spring Tide for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 1,349 square feet. Now, as we enter, we of course first have our door. The door has proper lock key system given. You have another security reason purpose system given as well. Now this is going to be your living room. As you can see, your living room extends all the way up from this side to that ending corner. So you have a lot of space to design your entire living area as per your choice. You can add your couches, you have your electric units. The lighting that has been done is a very unique way. It's given on your side corners of the entire house, if you can see. And you also have your AC units placed and extra units for your lights if you want to design your home in a very unique way. Now, if you can see, the TV also has been given a wooden panel floor touch. On that corner of your living area as well, you have a wooden floor panel touch. If you want, you can change that as well. Coming to your other side of living area, if you want, you can turn this corner of your living area again to your dining space or another corner for your living area. Right in front of that, you will find your attached balcony. As you can see, the balcony space again is very spacious and it gives you a very beautiful view from the outside. You will have enough sunlight, ventilation, and you also have a lighting source given in your balcony as well. Now, because your living area again is spacious, you can also have this corner of your living area to design it however you like. So you can use this as a common wash basin area just because your dining area is close. Another best part is the kitchen is also designed very close to your dining area. So this is going to be the kitchen area. If you can see, it is given a very L-shaped type of design. If you want, you can structure it that way, or you can break the wall and extend your kitchen all the way up to that corner. So you have your wash basin placed, you will have two windows on the corner of your kitchen. So if you want, you can divide this corner of your kitchen into your utility area. So you can do the laundry, your washing machine can be placed on that side, and your other kitchen units. Now, if you see, your kitchen unit also has a different tiling given inside of your kitchen. So if you want, you can design it that way or change that as well. And your electric units have been placed on each corner of the kitchen. So you can add your fridge on that corner. You can add your other kitchen appliances like microwave and oven. And you also can add your exhaust chimney right under your grill. Now, the entire house has been given proper vitrified tiles as well. Now, coming to our first bedroom, as you can see, it is very close to your entrance. Let's go inside. So this is going to be a first bedroom. As you can see, the very unique design has been given to this room. Even though the room looks different, there is spacious place for you to add your separate study corner, and even after that, the entire room has small spaces for you to design it however you like this corner near the window can be designed however you like, and then those two extra corners of your room where your electric units will be added, you can design that well as per your choice. And then here as well, the lighting units in the room have been done perfectly. After adding your wardrobe as well, you still have corner space left, so you can turn that into your style. Now, coming to the other part of the room, that is your attached washroom. It comes with proper ventilation system inside, and the floor tiling in the washroom also is very different. You have a shower system given, so you can add your glass partition, you have your mirror, and it is again very spacious. Now, coming over to your second bedroom, if you notice, it is very close to your dining cum living area and your balcony. So this is going to be your second room. Now, if you want, you can turn this room into your home office or your mini theater or your drawing area or your kids' room as well. As you can see, the room is a very cozy, small space corner room, but with enough spacious places for you to add storage units. So your study table can of course come on this side. You also have electric unit, the lighting system has been given, you have your AC unit placed, and this corner of your room you have your window again. So the windows of course can be opened, or if you want, you can change the window style as per your safety reasons if you turn this into your kids area. Again, this corner of your room also gives you direct access viewpoint outside. And then this room again of course comes with a very spacious minimal looking washroom. So you can see here as well, you have your ventilation system, you have your proper shower system on the other corner of your washroom, and you have all the tilings done perfectly. Now, before we enter into the best part of the house, your master bedroom, let's quickly understand what Housey exactly does for you. You see, as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will find all the information you need about the project, like the project overview, the location, the amenities, and like here shown, we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you will also find the pros and cons of the project. You also find the EMI down payment option, the exclusive pricing details that we show you on the website. You will also find a virtual 360 tour of the project on the website, and if you choose to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you may click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com for more information. Let's enter our master bedroom. Now, the master bedroom is very close to your kitchen. You can design it that way or change the structure as well. Already noticing that your master bedroom is extremely spacious, this entire corner of your room can be redesigned and turned into your walk-in closet, or you can add your extra dressing table here, or a small extra couch. You can turn this into your small home office as well, as in for your studies or whatever you choose to. And right next to that, now the good part in the room is that you have two separate windows here. So this window can be again perfectly used if you place your couch here or your study area, home office thing, and this again gives you perfect view outside. Then this corner of your room also has your window system, which is very nicely placed right next to your bed. Again, if you want, you can place your bed that side, redesign your closet this side. So it's a very perfect room available for redesigning. And if you can see, the lighting system also has been done in a very unique manner. You have your lighting all placed around your entire ceiling. Now, this corner of the room again can be used to add your TV or another small area, redesigning it however you like with your electric units placed. The washroom, of course, you have it attached. It's a little more spacious and you have your proper ventilation system, your shower system, the tiling has been done. You have, in the entire house, you actually have proper height ceiling given. So that makes everything much more spacious and comfortable. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for
Urban Rise
Spring Tide for 3 BHK. Hope you liked the video. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.